Hello, I'm Mathilde Chenoer. I'm 22 years old. I'm playing volleyball in the club of East Provence Volley. I'm a professional volleyball player and I continue my study in the University of Marseille, and now I'm in my first year of master in the management of sport.
Tell us a bit about yourself. How did you start doing sports?
My family loved volleyball. My parents played volleyball when they were young. So I began naturally to play volleyball at the age of 6.
What was your motivating factor to reach for higher levels in sports?
When I was young, we always played the French Cup with my team. Our goal was to reach the finals, and we succeeded more than once. Thanks to this, I have the chance to enter in a national center, and this was a beautiful experience, and this keep motivating me to improve in high-level sports.
When and how did you decide to go for higher education?
When I was 17, I signed 2 years in a center of formation in a club. For the first year, I was still in high school and I succeeded my degree, the baccalaureate. And for the second year, I entered in higher education and I choose to go to the university close to my club.
Describe the support of family.
For me, the support of the family is really important. My family is 100% with me for my volleyball career and for the fact to continue my study. They always help me in the new challenges that I had and to take new decisions.
Describe the support of friends.
My friends are really proud and they are really supporting me. I have a memory that when I was in college, I was not following my friends to the high school. So for the last class of the years, they make me a surprise with all my professors and all of them.
How did you decide the subject you want to study?
When I got my bachelor, I didn't know really in which way to go to continue my university. But I decided to continue in the way of the sport. I thought it was a good idea. So I began my license in the university close to my club, and now I'm in my first year of master.
What do you recommend as most important for a successful dual career of young female?
I think it's important to be perseverant and keep being positive even in difficult moments. It's important too to find the balance between sports and education.
What has been the positive impact of the sport career for your academic education?
In university, when we are athletes, we have a special statute. We are professionals, so we are allowed not to be present to the university, and we go to practice with our team in our club, but we have to be present for the exams.
What has been the positive impact of the academic education for your sport career?
I think to continue the studies is really important for the future. It permits us to have something and not start something from zero.
Do you think that a dual career in general is possible even for female athletes?
Of course it is. It's not easy, but nothing is impossible. The sport is our passion, and to continue the studies is really important to secure our future.